Hi, my name is Gabriela. In this video I'd like to share with you how to make crepe at home. To make the batter, mix flour with baking powder with a little salt, eggs and about 1/3 of milk until smooth. Whisk in the remaining milk. Let the batter rest for at least 30 minutes. Divide broccoli into the small florets. Steam the broccoli florets for 5 minutes, then uncover and let them cool. In the large saucepan, melt butter, add chopped onions and cook about 5 minutes until soft. Add flour and stir for a couple of seconds. Pour in the lukewarm milk and stir all the time until bubbles will start to form and the mixture is thick enough. Season with salt, grate a little nutmeg. Remove from the heat and let it cool, stirring occasionally. Cut broccoli florets into the thin slices. Add broccoli florets to the sauce and combine well. To make the crepes, heat the pan over medium heat and oil lightly with olive oil. Ladle in enough butter to cover the base. Cook until the bubbles will start to form on the surface and the edges turn light brown. Turn the crepe over and cook for a few seconds. Slide the crepe out of the pan. Oil lightly the pan and make another one. Grease the baking dish with olive oil. Spread the filling over the 1/2 of each crepe. Fold in quarter and place into the baking dish. Bake the crepes 20 minutes at 200 centigrade. Sprinkle the crepes with grated Parmesan cheese over the top and put in the oven for 5 minutes more. The crepes are ready to serve. Enjoy! I hope you'll enjoy making your crepe at home. If you'd like to shop online for all the fresh ingredients and the kitchen tools you need to cook your favorite meals, go over to my website cashbagonshops.com. At this website you'll discover how you can shop online from all your favorite sites and enjoy the great savings at the same time. Thanks for watching.